The year is 2035. The tranquil waters of the Arabian Gulf are about to become the backdrop for a new kind of warfare, faster and more intelligent than anything the world has ever seen. This is the story of Operation Epic Fury. It all starts with a flicker on a screen. A U.S. Navy destroyer, the USS Arleigh, is on routine patrol when its advanced sensors detect multiple missile launches from the Iranian coast. The targets, a U.S. carrier strike group and key Allied ports. In the past, this would have triggered a frantic, minutes-long process of human analysis and decision-making. But this is 2035, and the game has changed. Instantly, the data floods into a secure network powered by an advanced AI system codenamed Oracle. Satellites, drones, and shipboard sensors all contribute, creating a complete, real-time picture of the battlefield. Oracle analyzes the missile trajectories, speeds, and potential warheads in microseconds. It identifies them as a mix of hypersonic and cruise missiles, a complex, layered attack designed to overwhelm traditional defenses. The entire detect and identify phase is over in less than 2 seconds. Now, for the decide and task phase. Oracle doesn't just see the threat, it calculates the optimal response. It weighs every available asset, the destroyer's Standard missiles, the carrier's F-35 fighters, and a new player on the field, a swarm of autonomous combat drones. Oracle assigns each missile a specific countermeasure, creating a perfectly synchronized defensive plan. The human commander, Captain Eva Rostova, sees the plan laid out on her tactical display. She has the final say reviewing Oracle's flawless logic. She gives the command, execute, the time from detection to decision. A mere 10 seconds, the engage phase is a symphony of controlled chaos. The USS Arleigh's vertical launch systems fire a volley of interceptors, streaking into the sky to meet the fastest hypersonic threats. Simultaneously, F-35s, already alerted by Oracle, launch their own long-range air-to-air missiles. But the real stars of the show are the autonomous drones. Released from a nearby unmanned submarine, these AI-piloted craft form a defensive wall, using their own smaller interceptors and directed energy weapons to pick off the slower cruise missiles that get past the initial layers of defense. It's a multi-domain, coordinated ballet of steel and software, but the enemy gets a vote. A few cruise missiles, employing advanced evasive maneuvers, leak through the outer defenses. This is where the defend phase kicks in at point-blank range. The carrier's Phalanx CIWS, a rapid-firing Gatling gun system, roars to life. Guided by its own local AI, it tracks and shreds the incoming threats just seconds from impact, creating a final, impenetrable shield of lead and fire around the fleet. The entire engagement, from initial launch to the last missile being neutralized, lasts just under 5 minutes. In the aftermath, the skies are clear. The carrier strike group is safe, and the Allied ports are untouched. Not a single hostile missile reached its target. Operation Epic Fury demonstrated the power of the compressed kill chain, where the time between seeing a threat and eliminating it is reduced from minutes to seconds. This wasn't a battle won by sheer firepower, but by the speed of information and the power of artificial intelligence working in perfect harmony with human command. It was a glimpse into the future of warfare, a future that arrived in the Arabian Gulf with Epic Fury. Thanks for watching. If you were fascinated by this look into next-generation military tech, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that is shaping our world. See you next time.